Hey everybody, just wanted to give my quick and honest review of my Blackstone electric griddle. And I absolutely love this guy and I want to kind of show you why I got this. So obviously I wanted the gas one, but I got this guy over here and really didn't have a spot anywhere where I could actually put a separate griddle. So opted for the electric and I'm so glad I did. So I was able to find a little spot to put it down here, but let me tell you why I love it. This thing is fantastic. Now, clearly you don't have the monster surface you have with other ones, but this thing is fantastic. Let me show you how this guy works. All you gotta do is push the button, and what you'll do is you'll set your temperature. Now, the camera's making it blink. It actually doesn't look like that in real person. So this guy will actually get up to 500 degrees. What the beauty behind this is this heats up fairly quickly. So again, it works really good. It's pretty darn even throughout. You'll find a couple hot spots. So my corners over here, they don't get as hot, but beyond that, throughout the main source, it is fantastic. Never had an issue. So if you're looking for a Blackstone griddle or a griddle of any kind, you don't have the space or really want to jack with propane or gas, this is an absolutely amazing alternative. I'm so glad I did. We keep this out in our backyard. We do fajitas, we do breakfast, we do just about anything and everything on this guy. So I absolutely love it. One of the best purchases I've made for some outdoor cooking and grilling, and hope you enjoy.